What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode. I'm making this intro in a hurry because I'm super late to go to Jamil's, so let's get the show on the road. I am late. I'm late.
Hurry up, the gate's on a timer. It's gonna close by itself in and I think like 20 seconds. I want you to put your car inside, baby.
Bro, this has been the best birthday of my life. You see this baby right here? This
You got a new gift.
Oh man.
Hit the beach. Hit the beach, man.
Oh, what beach are we hitting?
Cayo Caracoles.
What?
Cayo Caracoles. Okay, so we're Puerto Rican.
Uva, YouTube.
Oh!
You just shut me the fuck up. Uva, YouTube.
Je ne peux pas faire cela pour le moment. Votre véhicule
Ah.
requiert toute votre attention.
Just give me the phone.
DCD. Ow. Ouvre YouTube.
Ouvre.
Ah,
Ouvre.
DCD, ouvrez YouTube. Ouvrez YouTube.
Je rencontre
Ouvre YouTube, Siri.
DCD, je m'appelle Joël, j'ai fait rendu.
Omelette de fromage, Siri.
Omelette de fromage. That's from the extras episode. DCD. DCD. Omelette du fromage.
mes excuses. Je rencontre quelques problèmes de connexion. Réessayez dans un moment.
No connexion.
N'a pas connexion.
Ah, yeah.
Pass the connection.
So, we ain't got no internet. So that means no YouTube, no Spotify, no music, no Apple Play, nothing.
Puerto Rico
So,
for you.
yeah, it's, oh, I'm keep hitting the mic. So let's just do a little something here. My voice. Let's do a little something here. Let's just let's keep the lyric rolling, okay? So let's just what should we sing?
Believer from Imagine Dragons.
First things first.
I don't know the song.
You recommended it. Oh, we got a loading bar. Oh, it worked. I don't even know what this is.
Papa Roach.
Papa Roach.
Why the hell?
Weird. I don't remember Papa Roach like this.
Look at this cute thing. These are my kids. These are my kids. I work for these babies. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Don't judge me for the way I shave. Everybody shaves differently, okay? Look at that. My method is quick. It's efficient. It's effortless.
When you looked at the camera. We stopped over at Jamil's house to, because he had to pick up some stuff and feed his pets. And he's singing in the bathroom right now, shaving.
No hables en mi apartamento. Está prohibido.
Your cat's listening to you.
Oh. What are you protesting about? You're a cat. You can't even talk. You don't count. You got nothing to protest.
So after this, we're gonna go pick up his friend, and we're gonna keep on going to La Parguera. We'll see when we get there.
Pasa mejor En Magic 97.3, 99.5 y los domingos disfrutas de
I've seen it
Sol
from
Programa interactivo. Me
I've
dice
seen the
Carlos
inside,
que
it's
va
really
con Paola,
beautiful.
Viviana, Enrique.
Say hi.
What's up? What up, guys?
¡Hey!
Eva.
¡A pasear! ¡Rato!
Ah, yo creo que podemos llamarlo el 21.
¿Cuántos por ahí?
I think we got ourselves a nice little boat.
You got the nice boat.
Yeah. I hope so. I'm gonna ask around.
And we'll be back after these short messages. Yamin?
Y en este que nos vamos a acampar.
Ya, me imagino.
Porque si funciona hoy, va.
Ya,
a
me
tener que
imagino.
acampar.
No, Joel tiene que saber. Joel sabe todo.
I'll cut you out if you do.
Es ok.
It's okay. Let's say hi.
No. Tienes que hacerle cuenta a Joel. Mira, mira, de verdad.
Set to go, Captain.
Say what?
Can you explain to folks where we're going?
So we are at Parguera. We're about to take this boat here, drive it to Caracoles that way and see where all those boats are over there.
Oh wait. It's kind of cloudy today.
This is Captain Marbles. We're on our way now to Mata La Gata. I said Caracoles earlier, but I meant Mata La Gata because there's a special spot there
Let me,
that people don't go to.
Let me take this point and zoom in. Everybody's looking at us on the ferry. Yeah.
Everyone's jealous because they're not on this boat. This is the party boat. They want to be here.
This is actually the party boat. Oh, my butt's getting wet.
But I'm going to take it easy today because there's a lot of traffic.
All right, go for it.
Esos paraboles lo que están bloqueados. Esos paraboles.
Yeah, but we're not going to Caracoles. We're going to try to go to the spot.
We're heading to a secret spot. I need to hang on better. Woo! So we're not actually at Cayo Caracoles. We're at
Mata La Gata.
¿Cómo?
Mata La Gata.
That's the name. Can you explain to the folks?
In English, it's Kill the Cat Island. Kill the cat.
That's so sad. So it's a nice spot. Oh, I see some scuba divers. Is it?
So the reason it's called Mata La Gata is because Mata in Spanish also translates to plant, you know, as in mangroves. And the cat part is because they used to grow catfish in that harbor over there.
So afraid for my camera right now, but I'm gonna go in the water. We're actually planning on getting here around 11, but we didn't. We only have a couple of hours of daylight left, and we're just gonna. I'm probably not gonna be vlogging that much because I'm just gonna be in the water, and I'm very afraid of getting this camera wet. And
todavía, que es importante.
Estoy cargando el mío también.
Joel.
It's getting deep here. Yeah, it's getting too deep for my camera.
Just be careful. There's a curve, a tiny bit curve here.
Really?
Yeah, it's not strong like last time. It's walkable. Last time I had to swim and it was so strong that I couldn't swim against it.
Well, I'm in the middle of a whole bunch of fish, man. Oh, it's cold. Trying to catch him like dancing, but he just stays still every time that I Going back to the boat, I broke my sandal.
¿Qué pasó?
Oh, I broke my sandal.
Oh, yo pensé que se te había caído la cámara.
Oh,
¿Cómo que qué pasó?
I broke my sandal.
We'll conduct a ceremony when we get back on shore. Proper burial for the sandal.
Sander?
Yeah, the sander.
Sander. Sandal's name is Sanders, Mr. Sanders. Okay, I'm gonna go make the jump like a handstand. I'm actually okay.
You're bleeding.
Oh shit! Ah!
Look at your forehead.
Really?
No, just kidding.
Guys having a good time. I didn't fart. I swear I didn't fart. It's just bubbles running. Oh! Like little girls like So I'm supposed to taste this?
Grab this stuff. Let's get zoom in on this.
Pretty good.